So if your Photos app is not appearing on your iPhone's widget list and the Photos app is just missing for some reason, well, in this video, we're going to learn how we can fix exactly that. So without any further ado as well as delay, let's jump right into the video and get started with today's video. If your Photos app is not appearing in the iPhone's widget list, right? Normally, if you want to make them appear on the Photos widget list, you would long press on it, but you're not seeing the Photos app on the widget list, and why is that? There are a couple of ways. The first is that maybe you have locked your Photos app. So on iOS 18, it gave us the option to lock apps. Now, because you've locked it and you have chosen require Face ID, that could be the reason. So you can just long press on the Photos app and select don't require Face ID instead. The second reason you could be facing this problem is if you open the Photos app, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then you scroll down, you can see the option called Show Featured Content. This option might be disabled in some cases, so you want to try to just make sure you enable it, and once you've done that, that should help you solve the problem as well. If it's still not working, what we do is we open up Settings, we go to General, and when we go to General, we scroll down to transfer or reset. Don't worry, we're not going to reset it, but what we're going to do is tap on Reset and reset all settings. So what this does is that it will reset all of the settings for you, which is also including the Photos application setting that you've customized. So accidentally, you might have enabled something that is not allowing the Photos app to be seen. Hopefully, some of these might have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.